October 22nd, weekend opening. A beautiful day outside. Sun is out. Slight breeze. Docks are up. Some openings, some Rice Lake Run. Some random openings going on now. We'll start with the Prism quote-unquote Hainer pack. Walmart. These are horribly overpriced. But we'll give them a chance. At least we're starting off on the right foot. Bobby Witt Jr. Fearless Shore Story. See, not even Panini who, not a backwards card. Maybe an auto. Anthony Rizzo. Cutter Crawford. Red and blue. Julio Reyes from blue. Otto Lopez. Jared Duran. Chris Sale. Lone Lariano. John Carlos Stanton. Nutton, and backwards we have a Romy Gonzalez auto. Not numbered. That wasn't that bad. Getting an auto is nice. Bobby Witt, we'll take that. No numbered cards that I'm aware of. I didn't see a silver in there either. I'll keep that one for my brother. Okay, we did get two for comparison. I did compare them and grabbed what I thought were the two wider ones. What does that mean? I'm not too sure. I can tell you, I don't know. Doesn't look like there's a backwards one. Kenzie Gore. Cutter Crawford normal. Julio Reyes. Otto Lopez. Pujols. Castillo. Whit Merrifield. There's silver in here. Salvador Perez. Connor Juan. Max Scherzer silver. Prism. Jake Berger. Jeremy Pena. Nice on Austin Riley, Castillo, Major Alexi, Juan Yepez, Ron Acuna Jr. I thought the one Yepez was a rookie. Doesn't have a rookie card on it, but I'm pretty sure it is. So no auto in that, but a good stack of rookies. Price of this is $16, which is a lot for a Hainer. You do get variations. We got Mackenzie Gore. We got a Bobby Witt. Not too bad. Next, we're going to do is from Walgreens. We found these mystery boxes. I did not find a label. They had the ones that were one factory sealed pack and a group of cards for $5. These I thought one mystery card would be less. No, they were 10. I found out at the price register, tried to find out how to check the prices with the app. Got the app to download after a really long time. The internet was not going very well. Now what you're seeing on here is the Mickey Mantle collection that launched a little bit ago. I don't know what's in here. I didn't see a comparable opening, to be honest. So it's 2020, high number, and we have a Mickey Mantle. So they literally did pilfer Mickey Mantle cards. Replica of the Bowman. It does come in a card carry case, which is something, I guess. I did get two of these too for comparison. High number, which is what they advertise. We're going to get another Mickey Mantle card and another high number. Yeah, another high number. So if you're wondering if these have Mickey Mantle cards on, the answer is yes. You go put some of this trash away. Is it worth $10? I don't know, probably not. These high number cards, I have a couple boxes of them. Always worth a peek. Anything really to write home about there. The high number. Cave is the high number. I think over 700 is high number. I did find a hobby case of high number for 2022, which I did obtain for a little over $6.50. I'll get that, and maybe we'll save it for the holidays, and you can see what a case is like. Got a Luis Robert out of it. Chad Green, Michael Taylor, Cargo, Guerrero. So nothing too great there besides the Luis Robert, who needs to have a good solid season. Otherwise, his cards are already tanking. The question I have for you is, now the time to invest on Luis Robert? The answer is, I don't know. I don't think it was as good as a climb as when I jumped in on Shohei. But it is what it is. And finally, we have a Weekend Blaster I found at Walgreens also. Bowman. I know your opinion on Bowman. You know my opinion on Bowman. It has some quality issues, but it has some potential to get some really good bang for your buck. This is just to see something different. I still hold one retail green in my Bowman Blaster collection. I have a handful of these too. I invested in this and Chrome. I don't know how many I'm going to go up. I still got like 3 more Chrome Blasters than what I opened. It'd be nice to get the auto. That may be kind of what I'm looking for. Brandon Marsh, Jake Berger, Sal Frelick, William Burnable. Get these cards organized that I picked up. Warming, so I'm gonna keep my eyes on, but his prices are not that cheap. Britton Doyle's an easy pick up. He's gone down since he first came out. Mute Ball, Brian De La Cruz, Vidal Brujan, CJ Abrams. I guess they're really gonna try to sell CJ Abrams on me. No numbers yet. Nothing real big. Next pack. These were overpriced at Walgreens. This is what I thought, but Bowman I still think has good bang for its buck. We got an auto. Alan Serrata. Actually looks pretty clean. not numbered. George Valera. That is nice. Brought up my sleeves just in case we hit something, because I had honestly no idea what was going to be hit here. First Bowman Autos. Chrome. You're not going to say no to. What do we know about this guy? Born in 99. So he's going to be 23 years old, not quite 23, 22, signed in 2017. He got some ink on his card back there, so he didn't let him dry. That's a 101. You can see a little streaking above the A at the blue. Makes it more realistic. Flaws are what make diamonds valuable. Always remember that. Typically, if I remember, if you get an auto, you don't get a numbered card. Which you can argue. Maybe we'll confirm that. But that's what I think I remember about this. There's Wander. That was Waldo Cabrera. Doing fairly good there. I think this is overall pretty good blaster box. Two more packs. Walter Cabrera. Is he playing right now for the Yankees? I want to say he is. I want to say he started last game against the Astros. They lost and he went over. But he did start. Ryan Mountcastle, Aaron Judge, Aaron Ashby, Luke Williams, Julio Rodriguez in 3D. Nick Lodolo. It's much darker. It's kind of funny. It's a much darker card. I'm not hating at all what we got here. Last pack. There's Juan Yepez. I don't know why he didn't have a rookie card in that prism. Odell Bruhan. Rookie your favorites? What the heck are they talking about? Bobby Witt. Bobby Witt's going to get his Bowman Rookie and Bowman Chrome, which should be a pretty good thing. Andreo Pie and Luis Verdugo. Jordan Lawler already has a Bowman. He was in Bowman Draft. I got a black and white diamond of him. But he's a big player coming up. Review? Oh boy. Odell Bruhan is trying to make a run for it. Overall, pretty good. And the Mickey Mantle cards, they were as advertised. John Bowman and I forgot what they're trying to reimagine what year this was. 2015? Chris Bryant rookie year, so I think this is 2015 Topps Mickey Mantle. What I can say about them, they look to be in decent case. They are penny sleeved and put in a card protector, so that's nice. Is it worth $10? No. Maybe through in another pack you might be able to argue that you reached that potential. Got an auto. Alan Serrata, first Bowman. Again, looks to be in pretty decent shape. You got a stack of cards I'm going to at least thumb through. And this is all first Bowmans in notable Bobby Witt rookie cards. There's a lot of good cards here. One thing you can say about Bowman, there's Julio Rodriguez, you got Wander, you got Osvaldo Cabrera, first Bowman, paper, a couple chromes. And as far as a blaster goes, I mean, it was $30 the blaster card. I feel it might have been worth it. They had two of them there. If they have it there again, would I pick it up? I don't know. Luis Robert, Brian Gray, Thomas there, Ron Acuna. I don't know where these guys got piled here. I might have stacked my cards on the wrong one. I think I did. These always have a silver look to them. Yeah, I put my Bowmans on my good cards. Scherzer silver. This should be a rookie card. I think it's an air. Otherwise, a good list of rookies from Prism. Another rookie auto. Let's leave that up. So 2 autos today. Retail by mix of Walgreens and Walmart, and we did pull 2 autos from retail, so that's not all that bad. I ordered one, didn't get Prism like I did last time. I did get one quick pitch that has the donut variations, which should be coming soon. We'll open that up. But 2 rookies, a rookie and a first Bowman auto. I'm not complaining too much about it. And we did get the Bobby Witt too at the bottom, who of course now does not want to be picked up. I'll get that sleeved up. Anyway, that's all for today. You take care.